Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and summer season is upon us soon, and we have started grilling a lot in my household, and we are so happy to have these new tongs from UTaste. These are the extra long ones that are 16-inch. These are heat resistant, so that means you do not have to burn yourself while flipping over things in your grill. Now, I've used them in my kitchen a lot as well, so they're really versatile. They have this nice non-slip grip and they have lots of colors. As you can see, I am partial to the light blue. This is the teal color. And it has a really nice smooth locking mechanism right here that you just push down to let go. And it has a nice resistance and spring to it. So this is made out of pretty heavy duty steel and it's 18.8 as you saw in the listing. But what does that mean? That means it's 18% chromium and 8% nickel. That means it's more resistant to corrosion and oxidation, which is perfect for grilling equipment. And the fact that they are thicker metal means they're not going to bend on you. So you can lift heavier things, and these are sturdy enough to handle the weight. And the scalloped edges are going to help you grip more. So if you're trying to grab pasta or salad, this is going to be perfect for that. Having a sturdy set of tongs makes any grilling day so much better. And I really, really like these from UTaste. But that's just my point of view.